Hey everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to accept cryptocurrency payments on your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is to actually go over to My Sites. So manage.wix.com/account/sites. You'll then see all these sites available and you want to go over to the website on which you would like to add cryptocurrency payments. Then just click on select and edit site and you will be sent over to your Wix website's dashboard. If you haven't set up any payment methods already, you'll see this screen. And you can simply click on Setup Payments. However, if you do not have this screen, please go over to the search bar and search for Payments. You'll then see the Tools and Settings, and you want to click on the first one. Now if you click on the second one, you will be sent over to a different screen where you can see all of the customers or all of the payments from your customers. So please click on Accept Payments, the first one that pops up in the search result, and you'll then be sent over to Accept Payments. Right here you can connect your credit and debit card, you can connect PayPal or allow manual payments. But what you want to do is to go over to See More Payment Options and then scroll down all the way over to Crypto by Pinwheel. Allows you to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency payments. Click on Connect and you'll then see that you need to enter your Pinwheel credentials in the form below. You've received these credentials from Pinwheel when your account was approved. So first off, you should create your Pinwheel account. So simply click right here on this button and then go over to sign up. Yes, this might be a little bit of an effort you will have to put in. However, this is the only way to accept cryptocurrency payments on your Wix website. So now fill in all of the questions, click on continue, and then wait until your account has been approved. Now what you want to do is to simply fill in your username and your password. Once you've done that, you can click on connect, and also please be aware that Crypto by Pinwheel does take a fee of 3.95% plus 20% or 20 cents per transaction. Wix does not collect additional fees, so unfortunately there is not really a way to get around these fees. Now with that being said, once you've clicked on connect, you're all ready to go. If there's anything you need my help with, please feel free to ask me in the comments down below, so I can help you out.